Well, last week, Donald Trump gave the EU, the European Union, a bit of a tongue lashing. See, he didn't like the fact that the EU wasn't negotiating with him regarding these tariffs, which is funny because Donald Trump said everybody was coming to him, begging him to negotiate, but apparently not the EU. So Donald Trump gets angry and he's trying to incite them to reach out to him because they got to reach out to him, otherwise, he looks weak. And he says, I'm going to put a 50% tariff on the EU because they just don't want to deal with me. Well, today, Donald Trump says he had a nice conversation with the EU and we're going to delay the tariffs until July 9th. Notice a pattern here? This is what Donald Trump fucking does. He constantly makes threats, he pulls back, he never follows through. He's like the kid that cried wolf. You don't think these other countries understand what he's doing and how cowardly he is when he does this? It's a veiled threat that he'll never follow through on. We'll see what happens with the EU. I'd be curious to find out what that conversation was about. But Donald Trump doesn't want to impose these tariffs because it's going to cause a mess in this country. He wants to use it as a threat. He just doesn't really want to do it because the people around him saying, Donnie, that's fucking stupid.